Electrical energy has powered our progress for decades. Recent changes in its production and distribution have driven the need for new technological development to ensure electrical power grid stability. In one of the key control functions in the electrical power system, the constant balancing of production and consumption of electricity, anomalies and oscillations of electrical frequency can occur, leading to mechanical failure and unwanted blackouts in entire grids. This can happen when we let the frequency deviate too much from its normal value around 50 Hz.
After years of doing research on power system stability issues, our team wanted to find a more flexible and robust alternative for assuring frequency stability in electrical grids. The electrical grids protection innovation is a fast and effective security guard for power imbalance problems. It continuously monitors and estimates a level of risk in each individual situation and acts accordingly. It runs on the information provided by the speed of the frequency change and triggers according to enhanced criterion. All this limits the loss of electricity to a small portion of users and to a very short period of time.
This solution is flexible and adaptable, enabling integration in existing protection devices within electrical power systems and other advantages. With an upfront assessment of frequency variation, efficient intervention is possible, making smaller adjustments before bigger problems can occur. The implementation of the electric grid's protection can save a lot of worries and cost to stakeholders, ranging from electricity producers, system operators, down to individual consumers. It keeps the grids stable and in continuous operation, without costly and timely modifications.
Like electricity, innovation powers progress. Want to know more about the electrical grids protection invention? Contact the Knowledge Transfer Office of the University of Ljubljana for detailed information.